Waste wires and cable recycling equipment operation video. Waste wires first shredded by tool shaft shredder. Iron box and plug also can directly be disassembled. Through magnetic separator and head magnetic separator to suck out mostly iron metal. The description above, as mentioned, is called pre-process. During the process, using 4-shaft shredder is also suitable. First, through primary crusher. Then to the stable feeder, in order to deliver the materials equally and average. After the second magnetic separator, materials be sent to the 2 secondary crushers. Then to the third magnetic separator. Once arrived to the 2 fine crushers, the copper will separate from plastic through mesh. Materials will go directly to parablow separator to blow out copper foil, plastic film, fiber, this kind of mixture. The copper foil, plastic film, fiber will be sucked to the filter bag. From the parallel blow separator to gravity separator, it will separate to 3 lines. First line, it will be pure copper. Second line will through round screener in order to get pure copper. The purity rate can reach 99%. Those mixtures that still not separate through round screener should be sent back to crush again. The third gate from gravity separator through round screener to separate copper powder. Storage to the storage bucket. Once the powder reaches to above 100 kg, the mesh of the gravity separator should change to 180 mesh. Reseparate copper powder and plastic. Also, plastic can reach purity to 99%. The whole set equipment include primary crusher, secondary crusher, fine crusher, parallel wing separator, gravity separator, and also other delivery equipment. Should work with dust collecting equipment. Also, the equipment designed in sound installation, except feeding, discharging, plastic, and crouper lines. During the production, the equipment is without dust. Other mixture through pulse to filter back. The air emission should reach international standard. The central control panel with PLC and HCI design contains automatic manual mode. It also shows up the whole process of each machine's signal in order. If you have any questions about technical skills, please contact Yongxing Machine. We are here for you anytime. Thanks for your listening.